Hi guys, in this video we'll talk about how you can cancel your Spectrum TV but keep the internet. Watch the video until the end to learn how to do this and more. To cancel Spectrum TV but keep the internet, follow these steps. Contact customer service. You can chat with the agent online in your Spectrum account by clicking the Contact Us button. You can also call the number provided in the account to get connected to an agent. To access your account, follow the link spectrum.net. Alternatively, use the My Spectrum app to chat with the agent. To get the app, follow the Google Store link or get it on the Google Play Store. Once connected to an authorized agent, explain that you wish to cancel the Spectrum TV but keep the internet. Choose an internet plan that suits your budget and your internet usage requirements. Arrange how you'll return the cable box, or if you'll have Spectrum pick it up. Confirm that the items you have in your possession correspond with the list of items you are required to return on return. Make sure you keep the receipt or tracking number. Subscribe on your favorite streaming platform and enjoy. So there you have it. Canceling Spectrum TV but keeping the internet is that easy. Thanks for watching. Till next time.